In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom animations in Canva. We'll walk through the exact workflow so you can add smooth, tailored motion to your designs, whether you're building a presentation, a short video, or a social post. Start by heading to canva.com and opening any design type you like. The feature works across presentations, videos, Instagram posts, and more. So pick the canvas that matches your project. Click to select the element you want to animate. This can be text, a photo, a shape, an icon, or even a group of elements. If you want multiple items to move together, group them first so they behave as one. With the element selected, look up at the top toolbar and click Animate. If you don't see the Animate button, it usually means nothing is selected. Click the element again to activate it. In the animation panel, scroll past the preset animations until you find the option called Create Your Own or Custom. This is the tool we'll use for full control. Click it, and you'll see controls for motion, timing, and easing. Now refine the movement. To set the position path, simply drag the element across the canvas to define where it starts and where it ends. Canva records those positions as a motion path. Use the duration slider to control movement speed, anything from a quick 0.1 seconds up to a slow 10 seconds. Direction is entirely up to you. Move up, down, left, right, or diagonally by placing the start and end points where you want them. If your version shows easing options, choose Ease In for a motion that starts slowly, Ease Out for a smooth landing, or Ease In and Out for the most natural feel across the whole move. For layer timing, look at the timeline along the bottom. Drag the start and end handles to control exactly when this element begins and finishes its animation relative to the page. This is great for staggering multiple elements so they don't all move at once. If you'd like to build more complex motion, add multiple custom animations to the same element. Select the element, click Animate, then choose. Add animation to stack effects, like moving in, bouncing, fading, and then exiting. Keep each action purposeful so the sequence feels intentional rather than chaotic. Preview your work by pressing play in the top right. Watch the pacing, adjust duration, path, or easing, and fine-tune the timeline until it feels right. When you're happy, click Share, then Download. Choose MP4 video for best quality and longer animations, or GIF for short, looping motion. Confirm your settings and download your animated design.